What's up guys, it's your boy AB Cooking. Today I'm going to show you one of the easiest recipes you've ever seen. It will be soup less than $1. It's cheap, it's vegan, and it's so easy. Let's start. Heat the water and mix the soup seasoning. Peel and chop our vegetables. Add the ingredients to the boiling water. And put back on the fire for another 10-15 minutes.
10 minutes later.
Our soup is ready. Hurry up and start cooking yours. Subscribe to the channel, it helps us a lot. Thank you.